In this episode, I will be doing a review on Dossier. Now, if you're interested in seeing what fragrances I chose, you know what to do. Stick around. Now, I'm going to do another review for Dossier. They contacted me and wanted me to pick out 2 new fragrances. So I want to share them with you and give you my opinion on these fragrances. As you know, the box comes like this. It's packaged very beautifully. It comes within a card telling you about your fragrance. Now this one is Citrus Green Apple. Now the Citrus Green Apple is inspired by Dossier & Gabbana Light Blue for Women. Now this is how the bottle looks. What I love is the feature, like everyone else, is that it has a magnetic top. I love that feature. Now let's see how it smells. Ooh, that smells wonderful. I can't wait to wear this on a date night. Now let's go to our next package. Now this one is called Ambre Orange Blossom, and it's inspired by Estee Lauder's Beautiful. Okay, now that's how Beautiful looks. Again, I love the magnetic bottle top. Gorgeous. Now let's see how she smells. Oh, yes. That has a wonderful smell. It's more of a, I want to say, it's more of a powder. I want to say a kind of a sweet smell. I think you will like this one. It smells really good. I like this one. Dossier is now available at Walmart, so you can check out all their wonderful fragrances. Their prices are very reasonable, and I think you will enjoy purchasing them. Now, I'll have a link down below to their website if you're interested in going to the website, and also, you can go to Walmart. So when you go, let them know that Stephanie sent you. And I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.